Building and Construction Workers Board is formed under Labour Department, which actually takes care of all the construction workers and related people related to infrastructure. कितलीशीच वर्सां एक म्हणल्यार सेस कलेक्शन जाता, and from the cess collection you are supposed to ensure that schemes are implemented for the welfare of the people. After taking over the Labour and Welfare Ministry, this is one topic our CM and I was of the opinion that we have to give a lot of trust on this particular part where we actually need schemes to roll out. इतली वर्सां पैसे येता पूण schemes roll out जायना म्हणून खुबशे लोकांचे विचार आशिल्ले and they have been sharing with us. So last 18 months we have worked ourselves to ensure that the board starts implementing schemes. So आज 13वी board meeting झाली. The 13th board meeting today what we have discussed are all points which are related to creating infrastructure, getting the right standard operating procedures to implement the scheme, the schemes which were there, which have been proposed in the welfare of the people, that have been taken as approval. In terms of administration and other issues what were there, that were given approval. Skilling Karpak, where the construction side we don't have skilling and other things rightly done. So we are ensuring that the people who get under BOCW registered need to have themselves undergo skilling. के supervisor position म्हणलो जाल्यार एकदा गोंयकार मेळटा काय ना, सकयली level मेळटा काय ना. So हांच्या खातीर skilling करपा जाय with remunerations to them. That topic was discussed, and all these things today you have empanel agencies from the NICSI board from the center, or again under the Ministry of Labour and Welfare Employment Department, where you have agencies which cater. So as today LabourNet we have finalized as the agency to take for skilling, where it is the people they will continuously enroll people, skill them, and at the same time ensure that they are given certain incentives like a toolbox, which are all a part of the central government initiatives, which funds will be borne by the BOCW board. Similarly, getting jail to come into online registrations, also make payment gateways. That we realize that there is no proper collection of cess happening, and this cess loss which actually is happening is becoming a loss to the board. Right now the mechanism is collection at panchayats, collection at municipalities, collection at this type of locations, and we have to depend on the cess collection to come from them. So taja khatir again cess collection from people, whether it is a builder lobby, whether it is people who are taking government jobs or PWD jobs or contracts who are registered, automatically will come under the scanner, and the payment gateway means that 1% what needs to be paid as cess will directly be paid to online, can be paid online as a facility to those particular people. Again, PricewaterhouseCoopers consultants who are actually who have studied the whole model, we have appointed them as an agency to be there and as consultants guide the board to take the schemes with proper standard operating procedures, have particular initiatives which have been best practices of other states. Those practices need to be followed in the state for the welfare of the construction workers. As discussed on complete Kelia. So I think quite a wide agenda, about 14-15 items have been discussed today, and we expect that we will get going very fast, so that by December we should be able to actually roll out schemes on the floor. And ताजे खातीर board members like comrade आमचो Christopher Fonseca बाब जावं, Poke बाब जावं, a lot of other people who have been there, I think have shared their inputs, have been said, board meetings have been very fruitful with such type of discussion, debates, and at the end of the day after the board meeting you feel good that discussions lead to healthy discussions lead to healthy outputs, and today we are able to move to the next level. We expect in the next 1 month or 1.5 months to ensure that the schemes roll out at the level of the construction worker. That khari scheme atan meta, and taja khate registrations have started, processes have started at panchayat levels, and the administrative officer whom we have appointed recently will be given the task of ensuring that the board runs administratively very efficiently. We are also looking at buying a space as a capital expenditure for BOCW of a size of over 200 to 250 square meters, which can be a plot where we can try and construct a particular place, or we can buy a ready premise. So we are exploring these options also.
Any area?
So we are looking at about 5 to 6 kilometers from the capital city and around. So looking at the cost and the economics, and looking at the type of land or type of structure available, I think measures will be taken so that this actually allows the board to operate efficiently. And आमकां समज plot मेळटा आनी ते बांदपाक मेळटा खंयचे कुंभदादाला, म्हाका दिसता it will allow us to have skilling and rest of the things also, which we are talking in the same infrastructure. So it can have a good infrastructure for years to come and give a proper backup to the building and construction workers who otherwise feel neglected.